guys, just in the plains of Africa here, we've spotted a wild monkey. Let's kill it for its fur. The monkey, in its natural habitat, has no fucking clue how to climb. 9 feet. Yeah. Nah. Go along to like the edge there, and then like hang. You're gonna hang yourself then, so it makes a smaller fall. Friend. I mean, I don't think it would take me, but it'll take you, friend. I mean, try not kill the tree, dude. Don't jump up and down. Actually, no, just quickly jump up and down for me, would you? Just a quick bounce so we can see. Right. Hang on, yeah, hang on to that with your hands, and then just like, I'll grab your legs and you can come down that way. Here, do you mind holding this? So I think that monkey, Stu, is dead maybe, I don't know, because I can't see him now, so he decided to bitch out and go a different way, but I decided to fucking YOLO one through, you know? I can't really see what the camera's doing now because it's so bright. There we go, it's better. There you go. I'll get a proper panoramic picture at the top, but this is really what I'm seeing. I have to go down here a little bit. There's a beautiful little river. Cool. So, back on the path. This is the view we're facing. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Oh man, there's a big bridge down there. It's really high off the water. Now, in a video a few weeks ago even, that's where I was cycling right there.